I was gonna do a product review. This little ice maker here. It's by Elastic or something like that. It comes with it, a water filter, water hose, everything. And it was like $3.50. It says that it'll hold 50 pounds of ice and do 100 pounds a day. The 50 pounds of ice it'll hold is a lie. I can only get that 5-gallon bucket. That is not 50 pounds of ice. Anybody that deals with feed and all knows that 50 pounds won't fit in a 5-gallon bucket. That is a straight up lie. Will it make it quick? Yes. I think it'll make a 5-gallon bucket in 2 to 3 hours, maybe a little longer than that. I haven't really timed it, but I cleaned it out this morning about 9 o'clock. It's about 6 o'clock now. It was slam full. Sure, it was full way before then. But I like the ice maker. I'm not saying bad on it. I've had it a week or two. I need a 5-gallon bucket once a day. We put it in a 5-gallon ice cooler. We'll drink 1 to 2 gallons of water a day out of it, maybe 3 gallons. It'll fill it up, keep plenty. I took the cooler, put ice in it. Well, I put about half water in it. Then I put a 5-gallon bucket of ice in it the first time I filled it up. I've had it a week or two, and I've never put more water in it. I just let the ice melt and put water in it every day. This is spring of the year, April, but we're in Mississippi. It's already 80-degree days. The ice maker is worth it as far as the $350, but do not think it's gonna hold 50 pounds of ice. That's a straight up lie. Like, I can get these ice bags. I bought these ice bags, and hang on a second. These things are probably, yep, it's a 10-pound ice bag, and if you fill it up, it's almost completely empty. That thing may hold 12, 14 pounds at the most. But yeah, a 10-pound bag is about all it'll hold. So that's a straight up lie on it saying it'll hold 50 pounds. It may hold 50 pounds if you make the ice as full as it possibly can, and you sit there and you bust it up and, you know, make it fill every void. But it comes out in sheets, and it just won't hold it. As you can tell, that's how much ice is left in there, and but it'll drop this tray. It'll have that whole thing will be solid laying in there. A lot of times when it's empty, it'll bust in the bottom, but it'll make ice quick. Now, I'm not gonna lie about that. It'll make ice. It'll make that little tray probably every 5-10 minutes or something. So that's why I said probably 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. It'll make 10 pounds that quick, which it says it'll make 100 pounds a day. So you take 100 and divide it by 24, and there's your number, you know. But I like it as far as that. I just wish the hopper was bigger. If this hopper was like the whole thing was that big and twice as wide, it would take that probably to hold 50 pounds. And I'm disappointed in that. Other than that, so far it works fine. It produces good ice, don't have a problem. I really don't care. I wish it was a little bit bigger. If it was twice as wide, or the hopper was up to there, I'd be happy. I sort of wish it was twice as wide or something, or because it's hard to scoop ice out of it. They give you this little bitty ice scoop right here. Look at it compared to my hand, and yeah, that sort of sucks. But you can about scoop ice. It's smaller than my hand. It seems like I could probably scoop ice faster with my bare hand. But I just emptied it out to put in a cooler for drinks to go fishing tomorrow. But I'd buy it. I mean, $350, I'd buy it again. Just know that it's not going to hold 40 or 50 pounds of ice like they said. But I'll try to put the screenshot of what it is. I got it off Amazon. I think I'll do that as a thumbnail so you can look at it and try to put the name in there. But I think I give about $3.50 again. But it's simple to put in. You got a drain hole hose right there. It just drains out. Then you got a water inlet. You tie it into there. This is in the shop and all. And I just got it plumbed in by the toilet here. Just unscrew your toilet, screw it in. Then you got a valve for both. You can cut the toilet off. You can cut just this line off. That hot water line goes to the washer and dryer over here. Again, this is a shop or whatever, so don't really matter. That's why there's bleach and everything else in here, and a restroom. But it works. I like it. Just don't be fooled with the size of it. We'll see you on the next video.